had to build who I am. Over the years, when I first got started, I couldn't have held a talk this long. I didn't know my ass from my elbow. And I certainly didn't know anything about personal development. When I started in this industry, I didn't know the structure and the discipline that I needed to have. I didn't know that. I fiddly dick around. I'm hibernating longer than James did.
I've been quiet for too long.
I am so excited today, guys. I reached a milestone in my business today, and I'm going to show you how to do the same. So let's dive right into it here. Let's see if I can share my screen with you for a moment here. I want to tell you about a program that I'm with. It's called Legendary Marketer, and it's a phenomenal program. And I don't say that, I use that word lightly. Let me take you to my back office here, give you some screenshots of that. Yes, Legendary Marketer is a great training. I mean, it's a money-making system that teaches you how to make money online. Dave Sharp's made over $200 million online to date. He's been featured on Forbes magazine, Forbes Entrepreneur, for his transparency, his knowledge, and just being authentic, guys. And this guy teaches, he knows how to make money online. I'm going to make a long story short. But anyway, on yesterday, which was the 20th of November, I made $6,400 in one day. In one day, 6K in one day. Yes. So yes, it's true, guys. It can happen. And this is, I've been with this company now for several months, and I just started to plug into it. And you can see here, I'd have made $8,000 sitting here. I'm at home and basically in my kitchen on my laptop. And this is what I do, guys. And I started out just trying to make extra money on this, but now this is not extra money. This is all that I do, and it's all I want to do. And you can tell I have a passion for it. But anyway, the company is called Legendary Marketer, and it's a phenomenal company with great training, step by step. I mean, they teach you over the shoulder to get you to start making money. And their thing is, it's called Earn While You Learn. So you don't have to wait to get started to making money while you're training. You can make money while you're training. Earn while you learn, guys. Yes. So if you want to get deeper into this here and you really like to know more about it, go ahead, subscribe, click on this page, and we're going to go ahead and get you trained up, guys. Thank you. See you on the inside.